So Boeing issued an 8K last night, basically talking about the FAA's request to address some of these software changes on the MAX. Now we're getting the headline that's saying it could take up to 3 months. We've removed any deliveries until October. You would think after that time, when this fix is in place, you're going to need the secondary fix, which is more training and simulator training. So potentially this, could remove MAXes. It could stagger how the deliveries, the reentry into service takes place. But I think you haven't really. Sorry, go ahead.
Sorry. Finish your point. Sorry.
I think that's why you haven't seen the stock do much, is that investors are kind of still viewing this as a 2019 issue, and it's not impacting what happens to 2020 or 21 free cash flow.
Sheila, how damning is this for either the FAA or for Boeing or for both that this plane was approved to fly in the first place, and also a crucial 5-day period when it wasn't grounded as quickly as it could have been?
I think there's just a lot of scrutiny on the aircraft. I believe the FAA and ESA, the European authority, was in the simulators looking at the software change as of late that Boeing submitted and has worked on for the last 8 months. So one theme I saw from the Paris Air Show last week is potentially more of a convergence of the regulators coming together and having an approved front on the MAX software change. You saw that partially with the IATA press release last night, which is the International Association of Airlines, asking for regulators all to work together so public has confidence in flying this aircraft.
So you've cut your earnings forecast. I mean, is it at risk of going even further given some of the latest?
So I think in terms of the MAX, it's just a movement of timing. What we did to our earnings forecast, we took more of a cash hit because obviously airlines like American, United, and Southwest might push out from, let's say, Labor Day to October cancellations. So they're going to have to lease 737s. So we thought about that as a cash impact. So that's what I would extrapolate the longer this goes on. But right now we have a very staggered re-entry into service in the Q4 timeframe.